this is how you have to arrange your assembly, right? So this is your frontal writing lever. On that lever there are 3 points. Very first, the last one is known as load. The second is tissue holding point or tissue binding point. Here is your fulcrum and here is your writing point. So you have to make it arrange in a balanced condition. Next is you have to bind a kymograph paper on rotating drum where you will record your responses. So this is known as kymograph paper. In the tube you have to fill PSS up to a specific mark, and the volume of this PSS is known as bath capacity. Now let's see how to tie a tissue. So in the tissue what you have to do is you have to take a piece of ileum, you have to clean, you have to remove the fat from that ileum, and then you have to bind it in opposite directions. You have to take one end and stick it on the aeration tube, and the second end you are going to stick it here. So let's see how it is done. Now this is how you have to arrange your tissue. You can see this is your organ tube. In that there is PSS and there is a tissue. Now tissue is bound with your tissue holding tube, which is also known as aeration tube, which is arranged here. Secondly, the second end of tissue is bound on the tissue binding point, which is on liver. Now whenever there is contraction of tissue, this portion will come down, and due to that ultimately the writing point will come upwards, and that will draw a response, right? So now let's take response of 0.1 ml acetylcholine. So you have to take this tuberculin syringe, which is 1 ml syringe, to take your drug, right? I have filled 0.1 ml acetylcholine in this syringe, and now I am injecting it in this organ tube where our tissue is present. So due to the aeration, that the drug will circulate in this organ bath, it will reach to our tissue, it will bind on our tissue, and it will produce this kind of response. So you can see the response here. Now you should take this response up to a specific time limit, and for acetylcholine that is only 20 seconds. Now taking this response up to 20 seconds, and then after you have to wash this tissue. So for wash, what you have to do is you have to once again add PSS, you have to change the PSS. Now once again you have to bring this bath capacity at the normal level, right? And tissue will ultimately slowly it will come down, it will stabilize, and it will come to the baseline, right? So this is how, this is 0.1 ml response. You have to take response of 0.2 ml, 0.4 ml, 0.8 ml, 0.16 ml of different microgram concentration. This is how you can take dose response curve. Thank you.